This is the Lurella Love is Love palette. It was part of the awesome mystery box that they sent me a while back. That is the mystery box to end all mystery boxes. I don't think anything will ever top that. Check out the video if you haven't seen it. With that being said, let's take a quick look at the palette. Oh, she is a stunner. Oh yes, that is a good one. Brush please for swatching. The camel will do some swatches. Excellent job with these swatches, Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. I also like to make eye looks. I need more brushes, please. She wants more brushes. Here you go. Which of these do you think you will need? I guess that means all of them. Fatima will now present to you some different eye look tutorials that you can follow along with if you have this palette, or if you have some other palettes with similar colors, you can create these looks. This is Miss Fatima's first eye look. She calls this the Simple Rainbow. She used the following colors going from the outer corner to the inner corner. First this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and this, and this. And then she blended a little bit of everything across the top just to soften the edge. We did find that these shades do produce a bit of kick up or palette poof when working with them. This is Fatima the Camel's second eye look. She calls this the Snazzy Glitter Rainbow. We did find that the glitter shades are a little bit difficult to get to stay stuck. We tried water, we tried setting spray, we even tried a little camel spit. Moving from the inner corner to the outer corner, she utilized the following shades. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then a light dusting of this up at the top just to help blend things together. And she likes the way it has a little glitter shift, shade shift. For this next look, which she calls Orange, she used this shade up at the top, what would be the equivalent of the crease, followed by this shade over the eyelid, and then a dollop of this one right in the center, that when you pick it up and move within the light, it gives off a better shimmer. This is her yellow look, and utilized this shade on this half and this shade on the other half, and then blended them in the middle, and then went with a shimmer right in the center, giving us a bit of bling. This is her green mashup look. She utilized this shade here all over the lid and up and around into what would be the crease. She did this on the first half of the lid towards the inner corner, and this shade on the other half of the lid toward the outer corner, resulting in a bit of a shimmer when moved in the light. And for her final look, Miss Fatima calls this the Glitter Snazzy Fan. She utilized this shade all over everywhere as a base for everything. She then went in with this into the inner corner. She then used a great heaping dollop of this one up across the top, then added some of this one over here. That does pick up the light. And then added this one out here. Definitely a glittery, snazzy look. Which of those eye looks was your favorite? Comment down below and let me know. Miss Fatima? Yes? Who's going to wash all those dirty brushes? I made the looks. You can wash the brushes. Well, thanks. We thank you for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it and would consider subscribing to our channel. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment down below, check out our description box, check out a video that might pop up on the screen. Hope to see you soon.